Hey, Timothy here, and obviously, yeah, I am going to show you how to upgrade the PlayStation 3's hard drive. Now, I'm just going to switch you over to my PlayStation screen, just to turn this bad boy on. Right, now, as you can see here, you can see that I'm basically going to the system settings, and then you basically would scroll down and you'd select the backup utility. Goddamn, brain dead. Okay, well basically you just follow what I'm doing here, as you can clearly see. And now mind you, you don't click no, you basically click yes, and then you'd be going through a little load screen which would show you basically backing up all your data. Now mind you, you have to plug in a USB hard drive, at least the same size as what your hard drive is, or higher. So basically just to back up your data. Now mind you, if you do not have something like this, the second best thing you could do is just back up your game saves and put them onto a memory card, like a USB memory card, or onto a USB hard drive. Is another thing you could possibly do, if you are unable to do that. Alright, now to the next step. Now, this will require you to grab the PlayStation and actually completely power it down. Now, once it's completely powered down, you flip the switch on the back and power it down completely. Unplug it completely, pick it up and set it down aside, and start taking the stuff out of it. As you can see me here doing with the dissecting, you basically remove the back panel, remove the screw, pull out the hard drive, which is a slide, on a slide. Then you follow the screws and yada yada yada, so on and so forth. Now mind you, for the slim model, the screw is in a different place. Instead of it being a, you pop out and the thing, it's just a small thing you pop out to reveal a screw. You remove it and there's a slide, you just slip to the side on the front of the console, revealing the hard drive. You then just pull it out, the same as you would the other models. Alright, moving on to the next step. You would then get a hard drive of these specifications. Now, basically it has to be a 2.5 inch SATA hard drive. I forgot the exact rotation per minute it has to be. And basically, it has to be, yeah, just has to be a 2.5 inch SATA hard drive. I think the biggest you can get those is about 500 gig without running into too many compatibility issues. Anything too high in terms of the rotation per minute could run into some compatibility issues. Now, mind you, this does not void the warranty on the console, so do not worry about doing this. And if you are unsuccessful with the hard drive that you put in, you can always just put the old one back in and just use the new one as a USB hard drive. Okay, now to the next step. Now that you have the new hard drive in, you'll be sent to a black screen. In this black screen, it'll basically reformat the hard drive. It's pretty straightforward. And once you're done formatting, now mind you, in some instances with certain models of the PlayStation 3, you will be required to download the most up-to-date version of the PlayStation firmware off of their website. I will post a link in the description, as well as I'll write a little link somewhere else to download it. Well, anyways, you need that link to download the firmware update. Okay, the next part. Once it's fully installed, now mind you, you will have to set up a new profile for this console, if it doesn't automatically have profiles already assessed. Now mind you, all you do is you just follow these instructions on screen now, and just install the backup utility that you had from before, if you actually did it. If not, you'd basically just copy all your game save back onto the console, and then activate your account back onto that console. It's pretty straightforward from that point. Now the old hard drive, you can then reformat it and use it as a USB drive for whatever the hell you want. And that's all I can really think of, and that's how you pretty much upgrade a PlayStation 3. Now, mind you, this takes about 30 minutes. This is kind of time-lapsed, so yeah. Alright, until next time. Alright, signing off.